Hello my friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Steeler XLM. In this video I will show you the live price change occur in Steeler XLM, what is the currently change occur in Steeler XLM, and what is the current status of XLM in cryptocurrencies market. So friends, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies markets. Don't forget to subscribe friends. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price predictions of the last one day of the previous one day price predictions on the screen. The change occur in the last one day as a negative 3.13%. Why they are negative? Because as you can see now on the graph, continuously falls occur in a XLM coin. That is why the change is in negative. So friends, I feel like the current status of the XLM, so now they are moving upward. So friends, hope they goes upward in the future. So friends, the average change is negative 3.13%, and the high price is $0.616027 is the high price of XLM coin in the last one day friends. So for more details, let's check it out the last 4-hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the previous last 4 hour? Let's check it out the 4-hour price prediction of Steeler XLM. So friends, please remember to subscribe my channel because I'm also announcing a giveaway of the 100 XLM coin after I completing the 4K subscriber. So please complete my 4K subscriber and ready for a giveaway. So friends, as you can see here, the live 4-hour price predictions on the screen. The average change occur in the live last 4 hour is positive 0.49%, and the high price of XLM in the last 4 hour is $0.58383 is the high price of XLM coin in the previous 4-hour period. So friends, why the change is positive? Because they started jumping upward as you can see here, but unfortunately they are again falls down after a small jump. As you can see here, they falls down again after a jump. So that is why the change is less positive at 49 for 0.49%. Now for more details, let's check it out the current status of the XLM coin in the cryptocurrencies markets. What's the current change occur in the XLM coin? So friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now on the screen. The change occur at this time and the XLM coin is positive 0.03%, and the high price of XLM coin is $0.582722 is the high price of XLM coin in the last 1 hour friends. If we look the price prediction chart of the XLM coin, so as you can see here, the previous hour they falls down, but if we look the currently condition of the XLM coin, currently condition is very good. Now they are start an explosion, they are jumping again. At this time they are in a jumping mode. So friends, according to the price predictions of the last 1 hour, last 4 hour, the changes are in positive as I show you, and the last one day price is in negative. So friends, my suggestion for you to please hold your XLM coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion occurs in XLM coin, and I think after a 15 April the big explosion, the huge pump occurs in the XLM coin. So please hold your XLM coin with the last of this month and make a good amount of profit in the future. What's your opinion about XLM coin? Please share in the comment box. And friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research. Share your opinion about XLM in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, which is very important for cryptocurrencies holders.